Hello, my name is Magister Beck, and this short little video is an explanation of the SOR physical education class for the first semester. So we have this hybrid system going on right now where there's a cohort A, cohort Z, and then there's 100% distant learners. So cohort A is going to see me Monday and Tuesday, while cohort Z is going to see me in person Thursday and Friday. Those other days that you don't see me, you're going to be at home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then you have 100% distance learners that are going to be home 5 days a week. So the students that are seeing me for those 2 days in class or in school, we were initially going to go outside where the gymnasium is off limits. And we were going to go outside, but we're just going to have classroom time. So we're going to be discussing things like heart rate, food guide pyramid, designing a workout, lifetime fitness kind of activities. And then once we get to a certain, like in a couple weeks, we're going to get to maybe the soccer unit. So then when we're in class, we'll just discuss soccer stuff and like rules and lineups and how to train for a soccer game or get conditioned for a soccer game. And then when you're home the other 3 days, you'll be doing soccer activities with your siblings or parents or whoever you have around the house. To get those, you're going to have 5 points a day. You're supposed to have gym or phy ed 5 days for the week. So that's 25 points you get for the week. Everyone starts off with 5 points for the day until you prove me wrong. You got to show up, participate, be good to the peers around you, and make sure you don't get in trouble with me in class. As long as you do that, you'll keep those 5 points and you'll coast through with an A for the class. Now, when you are at home doing physical education, I'm going to have a PE calendar I'll post, or every week I'll tell you what your assignments are when you're at home. You have to do those assignments and respond back to me on Microsoft Teams. I have a PE page, and I invited all of you guys. You guys probably haven't gotten it yet, but when you get it, accept it, and we're going to communicate through Microsoft Teams. So when, let's say you're home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because you're cohort A, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when you're done doing your little workout for 20, 25 minutes or whatever it's assigned to you, you're going to respond back to me in just a short little email or message saying what you did. It's basically a reflection, a few sentences reflection on what you did, so that I can mark you off for those 5 points for the day. So with 100% distant learners that are at home 5 days a week, you're going to miss out on those 2 days of class time period. So I'll record short little videos like this describing what we talked about or what we did in class, and I'll post it. And then if there is I don't want you guys to really have take-home homework or assignments really for those 2 days that we're in class. So everything will be discussed in class. And if there's any work to do, like I'll say maybe design a workout for you to do to become a better soccer player or so you can run a mile better. And we'll discuss all this in class. That's to be done in class. And I don't want you guys to have any more added homework to what you already have at Parnassus. So that's what our SOR PE is going to look like this year. If you're on site, cohort A or Z, you're going to have 2 days in a classroom with me, and then 3 days at home where you're doing physical education on your own, but I'll give you assignments to do. And distance learners, you're going to have 2 days where you're doing classroom stuff at home for PE, and then 3 days where you're doing actual physical activity. I hope there aren't any questions, and if there are, feel free to email me at beck@parnassusprep.com or message me on Teams when you get on there, because that's how we're going to be communicating. And on Infinite Campus too, I'll post it on there. So it's just another avenue for you guys to find the assignments and whatnot. I'm excited to see you guys come back to Parnassus and be your teacher again. And until we meet again or until I send another video, I hope you guys have a good day.